Struggling on the toilet again? That uncomfortable bloating? The pain? The frustration of constipation that just won't go away no matter what you try? You're not alone. Studies show over 16% of Americans suffer from chronic constipation, with millions more experiencing occasional episodes that disrupt their daily lives. How to relieve constipation naturally at home is one of the most searched health topics. Because let's face it, nobody wants to talk about it, but everyone needs a solution that actually works. But here's what many don't realize. Chronic constipation isn't just uncomfortable. It's your body sending urgent warning signals. That backed-up waste isn't just sitting there harmlessly. It's releasing toxins back into your bloodstream, disrupting your gut microbiome, and potentially leading to more serious digestive disorders over time. The longer you ignore it, the more your entire digestive system suffers. Many people don't connect their low energy, brain fog, skin problems, and even mood issues to what's happening in their gut. But science now confirms these connections are real. Your gut health affects everything, from your immune system to your mental clarity. Let's tackle this problem with proven, natural methods that actually work. First, hydration is critical. Most people simply don't drink enough water, but we're talking about 8-10 full glasses daily, consistently. Room temperature water works better than cold for stimulating bowel movements, especially first thing in the morning with a squeeze of lemon. Second, fiber. But be careful. While fiber is essential, suddenly increasing fiber intake can actually worsen constipation initially. Start gradually with soluble fiber from foods like oats, apples, and flax seeds, which help draw water into the stool. Third, movement matters enormously. A simple 15-minute walk after meals stimulates peristalsis, the wave-like contractions that move food through your digestive tract. Try specific yoga poses like wind-relieving pose or child's pose that gently massage your internal organs and promote movement. Fourth, consider a magnesium supplement. Magnesium citrate particularly helps relax the bowel muscles and draw water into the intestines. Start with a low dose and increase gradually. Fifth, establish a consistent bathroom routine. Your body works on rhythms. Try visiting the bathroom at the same time each morning, even if nothing happens immediately. Over time, your body will recognize and respond to this pattern. But here's where most people go wrong. They try these solutions separately or inconsistently. The real key is addressing the root cause of constipation, your gut microbiome balance. There's something that's been helping thousands of people naturally restore their digestive rhythm and relieve constipation without harsh laxatives or uncomfortable side effects. It's called Vivo Gut Pro, a specialized probiotic formulation designed specifically to restore balance to your digestive system. Unlike regular probiotics, Vivo Gut Pro contains specific bacterial strains scientifically proven to improve bowel regularity and soften stool naturally, along with prebiotics that feed these beneficial bacteria. What makes it different is how it targets the entire digestive process, not just providing temporary relief, but actually helping restore your body's natural elimination rhythm. Users report not just more regular bowel movements, but also reduced bloating, improved energy, better sleep, and even clearer skin as their gut health improves. You can learn more about it in the link in the description below or in the pinned comment. Remember, constipation relief comes from addressing the real root causes: hydration, proper fiber, movement, and most importantly, a balanced gut microbiome. Combine these natural approaches consistently, and you'll likely experience significant improvement within days. If you've tried everything and still struggle with stubborn constipation, or if you're looking for a comprehensive solution that targets your gut health as a whole, click the first link in the description or the pinned comment to learn more about how Vivo Gut Pro is helping thousands restore their digestive health naturally. Your body deserves to function properly, and relief might be easier than you've been led to believe.